started the recording. Sorry for that. So once again, team, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings. And today we are here to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. But before starting the session for today, can any one of you please confirm, am I audible to everyone clearly, team? Or is there any disturbance in my voice or any disconnection that you feel?
No, sir.
Your voice
Clear,
is
clear, sir.
everything is
Audible?
clear.
Okay, fine. Thank you everyone for confirming, team. So, one second. Yeah, thanks for confirming, team. Whoever dropping the messages in the chat, thanks for that. Yeah, I got that. Thank you. So, first of all, again, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings team. So before starting the session for today, I want to share with you something important, team. We have muted everyone in the call today that you cannot able to unmute yourself in the session that when it is going to happen, team. The reason behind that, why? Because today in this session, whoever the participants joining the session today, we have mix of participants coming from different backgrounds. You're all not from the same background or same career perspectives, team. I have a mix of participants coming with different streams or different backgrounds, team. By keeping everyone interest in mind, we kept everyone in mute. If you have any questions in the due course of time, I request everyone, please make a note of them, team. Please park your questions till the end of the session. At the end of the class, I will be having an open Q&A round where I will be addressing each one of your questions one-on-one. Okay? Why? Because today in this demo, team, I can see the participants from different backgrounds, like some are from recent college passed out backgrounds. I mean to say, who recently completed their college graduations and then they are looking for one good technology in the market, which is a very good demanded tool and also equally high paying job in the market, and they want to start their career in IT industry. So that is why they were in this demo today. And we have some participants from other non-IT experiences, team. Prior to this technology they are going to learn, you might be having some non-IT experiences. You might be working in some domain specific jobs. You might be working as a recruiter or as a HR admin or as a US staffing recruiter, or might be into finance banking, or might be into sales marketing, right? Now you want to learn something which is at very high demand and you want to start your career in IT industry, team. That sort of people also we are having in the call today. And also we have other type of participants who completed their graduation down the line 3 to 4 years back, but not succeeded in getting good job in the market, still trying out for a new technology and planning to start their career, team. I mean to say, having some career breaks after the education, you might be not getting a good job and you've been waiting for a good opportunity, and now you want to learn this course and you want to get a good job. That sort of people also we have, team. And we have some people who already having existing IT experiences, probably not into ERP applications like Oracle or SAP or some other. You might be working in some other IT applications, team. You might be working as a manual tester, or you might be working as a Selenium engineer, or you might be working in DevOps or AWS or some other technologies within the IT only you might be working. Now you want to have a career shift in this technology. And some people who having relevant ERP experiences, you might be working in SAP, PeopleSoft, eBusiness Suite, JD Edwards. Now you want to move to this Oracle HCM cloud. See how different background people we have, team. 4 5 categories I have explained now. So by keeping everyone interest in mind, why I'm telling this team, if I start taking your questions during the class, I cannot able to complete the schedule that what I prepared for today, team. Today, in this demo, I want to cover extensively entire the background of the Fusion application. What are these Fusion HCM cloud applications are? What will be the career perspective in this domain? These all things I'm going to touch base, team. So I don't want to take any questions in between because that might impact other people thinking, team. They might get carried away when we have a discussion which is relevant to them like that. So only for today's demo, we have a plan in place. At the end of the session, I'm going to take up everyone questions, team. But my personal experience, if you ask me, because since 2015, we were into this training industry and I have trained many individuals, team, in this domain. Every demo, after the demo class, I mean to say today, in the next 1 hour or 1.5 hours, in the due course of time, once I start the session for today, maximum 80% of your questions, what you have in your mind, will be addressed here, team. Why? Because every day I will be interacting with several students from different backgrounds, team. Even out of these people who are attending the demo today, almost 50% of you personally contacted me. You had a word with me prior to this class. You walked into the office and some of you directly had a meeting with me in the office also, team. So when I'm speaking with different candidates from different backgrounds, team, they used to ask me all the questions that they have in mind. So what will be the most frequent questions that you have, team? What is this technology? First of all, people who don't know about it. And next, whether that will be suitable to your background or not. Or what could be the career perspective down the line next to 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. If we learn this technology and start our career, where we will be growing next down the line 10, 15 years. What sort of packages we have in this technology? What sort of companies will be recruiting us? And some of you might have a non-IT experiences. These people might have a question like, does we suitable to learn this technology? Companies will consider our profiles because we are not from a BTech background or MCA background. We are doing some non-IT jobs. We are from BCom, BSc, BBA, MSc, different other streams. These are the typical questions, team. Or Kumar, I have a gap. How I have to proceed further after learning this? Whether companies will consider my gap or not. Or freshers will have a question in mind. Does the technology have fresher recruitment happening in the market or not? How the calls for this technology? These are the questions every one of you having, team, right? That's what. In the due course of time, next 1 hour, just sit, relax, focus on what I'm going to explain you. Maximum of your questions I'm going to address in this session only. After the session, on top of that, still, if you have anything to discuss, we'll have an open Q&A. I'll unmute everyone. We can have one-to-one discussion, team. Okay. Now, let us move on to the today's topic, team. Why we are here? Why you joined this demo session today? Today, in this demo, I'm going to introduce to you how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experiences. See, maximum people, team, to start their career into IT industry, the main constraint that it will stop will be, team, coding or the technical knowledge awareness that you will be not having, team. In my experience, team, every 10 people that I speak, I mean to say my students or the candidates who come into the office and having an interaction with me, every 10 people that speaking with me, at least 6 to 7 people, the very first question, I don't know coding, Kumar. I don't know any prerequisites with respective to the IT applications. Like I don't know SQL, PLSQL, Java, Python, any sort of coding, any sort of languages I don't know. I'm afraid about coding. If you teach me also, we won't understand. We are not from a technical background. We are not from a BTech or MCA. Even BTech, MCA people also not comfortable with this coding part team. So today I'm going to introduce to you one such applications in the market, which is completely, zero coding applications team. So there are nothing but Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. What do you mean by HCM? HCM stands for Human Capital Management. Okay, this is a HR related software application team, right? And this is completely zero coding application. The best part here is to learn this technology team. You could be from any background. Companies in the market, it could be from a top MNC company to the startup mid-level companies. In every companies in this technology, there will be good number of projects in the market team. And all the companies who doing projects in this technology, they are not looking at your educational constraints. I want a candidate only from BTech background. I want a candidate only from an MCA background. No. Unlike other technologies team, in this ERP applications, basically Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications comes under ERP family. Under these ERP applications team, companies not looking at your educational technical background. If you are trained well, if you are good enough with the subject, if you are knowledgeable with these applications, companies ready to take. I'm telling this out of my practical analysis and the experiences team. Every batch, we have the candidates from different non-IT backgrounds or experiences getting placed. I'm not saying that I'm going to place you everyone, but the knowledge that what you are going to get, the plan that what we are going to provide to you for the next 3 months definitely will help you out to clearing the interviews team. So that particular offering, I mean to say zero coding, and that too with a combination of non-IT experiences, you can able to learn this technology team. So I'm going to have a demo on such technology called Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So before getting into the today's demo agenda team, what we are going to see in today's demo session. Before getting into that, let me briefly introduce about myself for 2 minutes team. Who I am, what accreditations that I have, what is my background with respect to this technology, and what additional benefit that you will be getting if you train under me. Okay. So as I told you team, my name is Kumar and I am going to be the trainer for this Oracle HCM Cloud Applications team. For the next 3 months, you will be traveling with me in this learning of HCM Cloud Applications team. So I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 14 years of industry experience team. Out of that, 12 plus years, I'm having IT consulting experience team. Total 14 plus years I have experience. Out of that, 12 plus years, I'm into this IT consulting team. If you ask me, Kumar, since when you are working in this Oracle HCM cloud applications? From last 8 to 9 years close to team. This is my 10th year, you can consider. From 2015 onwards, I started working in this Oracle HCM cloud applications extensively. Prior to that, I worked for e-business suite and PeopleSoft applications prior to Oracle HCM. From last 9 to 10 years team, I've been part of this Oracle HCM cloud applications and close to 14 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects that I worked on team. Coming to my clients, I worked for the clients from USA, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE. These are the regions that my clients belonged to. So I have part of all the implementation and support projects for the different clients across the globe team. And I can say proudly, I'm having multi-country legislative exposure in this technology team. I'm not constrained only to one country. I work for the clients across different nations across the globe team. And I'm a Oracle certified implementation specialist in all the modules of HCM cloud applications. And team, I'm a corporate trainer, delivered 25 plus trainings to several companies as well. Like how you attending the program team. Every month in TrioTech, we will be having the batches. Along with our regular trainings, right? We will be also associating with the corporate companies also team. Companies will be requiring us for training their employees team to upskill their employees in this technology. Companies also will conduct trainings to their employee. So I have been part of several companies who delivered 25 plus corporate trainings as well. Even now, we are conducting corporate training for a company called American Express for 20 of their employees. Currently, the training happening team. Just now I completed that and I switch it to this demo now. And I'm an ex-Deloitte, Infosys and E&Y employee. Currently also, I'm working for one of the company, MNC, for which I'm working on a global implementation team. That currently the client that I'm working for, they're having presence close to 70 plus countries. That is the global implementation happening. And I am the solution architect in that particular project team, where 15 resources are working under me in that particular project. So this is my experience with this respective technology team. Okay. Now moving on to today's demo agenda. What we are going to learn in today's session team. Okay. See team, today's session might be slightly extended to 15-20 minutes extra, but tomorrow onwards, timings will be strictly 8 to 9. But today, as it is a demo, I have to cover something more extra. Our session will be extended a bit ahead, team, 15 to 20 minutes ahead. And also, people who joining the demo directly, our admin team reaching out to you in the chat button, in your Zoom strip, chat option is there. There, our admin team dropping you the Google form team. Please fill that Google form so that after the session, we will be reaching out for the enrollment team. If you are not filling that, we cannot able to reach out to you for the admission procedure team. Please fill out the Google form parallelly, meanwhile attending the session, so that our details will be with us. After the session, our team will reach out to your team. So at the end of the session, I will be explaining you the course timings, course features, price of the program, and also we have an early bird offer for the program team, and what additional benefits you will be getting in this program also I am going to discuss at the end of the session. So for the next 1 hour, we will be talking about these things. What we are going to see, team, first of all, I will introduce to you the concept of ERP. What do you mean by ERP, team? Enterprise Resource Planning. Because team, our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications comes under ERP family team. Okay. Person by name Karre requesting for recording, not required. Session is already recording. After that, you will get in the WhatsApp. You can ignore that because I'm getting a pop-up message on the screen. Please don't request that. So, okay, I'm going to introduce to you first of all, team, what is ERP and what are the different ERP products available in the market. We will see, team. Then I will introduce to you what is Fusion application and Fusion applications evaluation overview. Means first here we will see, team, what is this Fusion application means and what is the background of this, history of this applications, team. When Oracle introduced these applications in the market, prior to that, what are the applications that Oracle owning? These all things I will explain you here, team. And then we will talk about types of companies involved. Because, team, any project implementation that you take as an example, you might not be learning Oracle HCM only. It could be any software application you might be learning, team. You should be knowing about these types of companies involved. Here I am going to introduce to you who is called as vendor, who is called as client or customer, who is called as consulting company. And once we learn this technology, in what sort of companies that we will be recruited and what we will be doing in that companies once we recruited, that all I will explain you here in types of companies involved, team. And then I will talk about Oracle Fusion environment releases. Like every software application, team, for our Fusion applications also, software upgrading release versions we have, team. Okay. So when Oracle introduced this product in the market, what is the release version that Oracle came up with? And now we are in 2025, January 29. As of today, what is the latest version of the Fusion application, team? What is the upgradation policy that Oracle following? That all we will see here, team. And then I will explain you modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. Because many of you were asking me, hey Kumar, whenever we came to know about this application from my friend or from my colleague or from my family, brother, or someone, everyone saying that learn functional, learn technical. What is this functional, technical? What we have to learn? So here I am going to ice break you on that, team. What are the modules we have in this technology? What comes under functional? What comes under technical? And what you are going to learn in this program that I'm going to explain you, team. And what are the high demanded concepts that we should be keeping in our resume? That also I will tell you here, team. And then, team, I will touch base on career opportunities in this technology, how the market for this technology, okay, what roles are having high demand, right? That all I will be talking here, team. And then we will see, team, Oracle Knowledge Repository means how to access Oracle standard documents. Anyhow, as part of this program, we are going to provide you our own custom materials for your interview preparation, team. But on top of that, if you want to access Oracle delivered standard documents, where we have to go in the internet, where we have to download, that I'm going to explain you here, team. And then some of you asking me about certification process. Kumar, in SAP, we heard that certification is mandatory. In Oracle Fusion also, is it mandatory? How we have to apply for that? What is the cost? What is the examination pattern? What support you will provide? I'm going to address all that questions here in certification process, team. And finally, we will conclude the session for today with why to choose TrioTech software trainings. Why Kumar as your trainer should be, right? And what will be the program duration, curriculum, fee details, everyday timings, what placement assistance that you will be getting, some of our student success stories, everything you will be seeing here, team. So it's a very structured demo, one by one, from the basics to the advanced, we are going to see, team. So first of all, let me pick up the very first concept for today, introduction to ERP. Okay. But even before that, team, let me take you through this slide. For whom this course is for? Many of the people joining today will have this question in mind. Am I eligible to this course to learn? So if you fall in any of these criteria, every one of you can read my slide, team, right? If you are in your final year of your degree means it could be BTech, BCom, MCA, MBA, anything. If you are in final year of your graduation, you want to learn a good technology with a high paying job to get on, you are eligible to learn this technology. Or if you just completed your studies, don't know what to do, which technology to choose, then you are eligible to learn this technology, team. Then if you want to get a high paying job, moving out of your current unstable non-IT jobs, team. Currently you might be working in non-IT. You want to switch your career to IT. Then you are eligible to learn this technology. And down the line, next 4 to 5 years, you want to get into the salaries of 25 to 45 lakhs per annum, then you are eligible to learn this course. It's not an exaggerated figure. It's a fact. It's a fact. Our students getting this sort of packages with the experiences that they're having, team. Companies offering this sort of packages for the people with 4 to 8 years of experience in this technology. If you ask me, Kumar, every one of us will get, who knows? It depends upon our skill set and our knowledge. If you are really thorough enough with the subject, team, why not? You will be also part of this packages, team. Companies are ready to give. Whether we are eligible to get that or not will be in our hands. So learn it detailedly and be yourself knowledgeable in this subject and be ready for any interview that you are facing, team. Companies are ready to offer this sort of packages. I can say an example. A candidate, a fresher who trained from us in 2019, now after 4 years, initially he entered the company with a package of 4.8 lakhs in a company in Hyderabad, in Kukatpalli, only in Manjira Mall, there is a company team. It's a live example by name Sharad. After 4 years down the line, close to 5 years team, he moved to Bangalore and he's working in a package of 38 lakhs just in a span of 4 to 5 years team. Market in this technology is open to give that sort of packages if you are skilled enough. Okay. So people from any degree and any background, if you fall in any of these criteria, then the course is for you, team. Okay. I'm going to tell you one thing very clear. I'm not promising you that TrioTech is going to give you the job. It's a placement guarantee I will provide you, enroll the program. No. If you attend the program 3 months, the knowledge or the plan that I'm going to provide you in a systematic way, what I'm going to teach, if you practice the assignments, what I am giving, if you practice whatever the interview question and answers that I am giving, mocks you are attending, this knowledge will definitely secure a job. So please make your mind in that way. Why I can't get a job? Is it that tough? No, it's not a robo science or it's not anything related to technicality involved. A plain functional application. Application already delivered by Oracle. We are configuring the client data in that. So is it not that tough, right? So we can able to easily learn this technology, team. the best part is, as I told you, it's a completely no coding or zero coding, right? So this is something you can decide, like if any one of you fall from any one of these any of these backgrounds team, then definitely you are eligible to learn this. Then the very first concept team, ERP. ERP means what team? Enterprise Resource Planning. Basically, team, ERP is nothing but a category or a family name team. It's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' financial, supply chain, operations, manufacturing, HR. Basically, team, if you see the picture to the right here, what I am highlighting here, team, any organization in the market you take, our well-known companies, Tata, Reliance, Apple, Google, Amazon, Flipkart, Cisco, any company that you well known in the market, you take an example team. In every organization, different business processes are involved with team. There will be a human resource department or a business area where in any organization, the HR department people will be handling all the employees in the organization, straight from recruitment, onboarding of the employees, their leaves every month, their salaries every month, performance appraisal. So the HR department in every organization will handle all the employee related HR activities team. Then in every company, finance department or finance business area will be their team. What they will do, whatever the company payables, receivables, how much coming, how much company paying, all that accounts related thing, the finance department people will take care team. Then if the company is a manufacturing company, supply chain wing, procurement wing, from procuring the raw materials to finished goods, then sending out the products, these all activities, these department people will do. Then in every company, sales business area will be there for selling the products or services, whatever. Means what team? Every organization in the market you take, different business processes are involved together team. In order to conduct all these business operations, companies requires tech-based software applications team. For example, let us talk about human resources team. Why? Because our technology is Oracle HCM cloud. In every company team, in order to conduct the HR related business activities team, companies require HR related software applications team. You can ask me, Kumar, prior to this, how companies worked? See, the traditional way, everything manually companies used to do. They used to maintain physical books, or in Excel, they used to write down how many employees are working, and every day who is present, who is absent. They used to take attendance in the manual book, and every month they used to do bank transfer, or physically they used to give amounts cash to them. Like that they used to handle team. But after the technology intervention into the human lives, everything got changed now. Every company, from big companies to the medium level or small companies, they are using one or the other software applications to perform all their business activities team. So in any organization, in order to conduct the day-to-day HR business activities, companies will be using different HR related software applications team. One such product offered by Oracle is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, Human Capital Management Cloud. So this is a HR business management software team in any organization. So ERP is a category, is a family. Under that concept, different products are offered by different companies. Like Oracle, we have a SAP, we have Salesforce, we have Workday, we have Pegasus, Northgate, our own Indian company, Zoho, right? These all are different ERP applications team. So this is about ERP. Our Oracle Fusion applications comes under ERP family. For what purpose these HCM application will be used team in any organization to conduct their HR related business activities team. So any company, if they buy the product from Oracle, they will be using for their HR activities to perform in the company team. Okay, this is about ERP. Now team, what is Oracle Fusion application? If anyone asks me, Kumar, what is Fusion application? I'll tell that Oracle Fusion applications can be best described as three criteria team. They built on open standard based platform. They built on best business processes. They can be deployed through selection of options. Built on open standard based platform. See, some of you from prior technical backgrounds joining the session today. For your purpose, I kept this pointing. You might be working some middleware, SOVA, or some other data warehousing or database administrators like that team. To make you understand, I kept this. Remaining people, you can ignore team. What is this team? The Fusion applications backend, the schema built on Oracle SOA, WebLogic Server, JDeveloper, Web Center Portal, OBIEE. These all are different individual technical tools in the marketing. So the background, the backend of the Fusion applications built on these technical tools in the marketing. Okay. And then team, they built on best business processes. Means what team? Here we have to talk about Fusion evaluation path. The background we have to be knowing team. Built on best business processes. Means what team? See, prior to this Oracle Fusion team, we have different ERP products available in the market. Means when team, prior to 2006, these all are the different individual products available in the market team. Oracle having their own product, Oracle EBS. Even now we have that in the market team. Then we have PeopleSoft, owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. Then we have JD Edwards Enterprise, JD Edwards World. Then we have Siebel, owned by Siebel Corporation, Hyperion. These all are the different individual ERP products available in the market prior to 2006. Then what happened, Kumar? During that time, it's a situation that none of the ERP applications in the market were very good at all the business areas team. If you take PeopleSoft, PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS, our HCM team, human resources. JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials team. Siebel is very good at CRM. Hyperion is good at reporting. E-Business Suite, Oracle's EBS, is good at financials business area. But none of the applications during that time is very stable in all the business areas team. What Oracle did in the year 2006, with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all these products in the market team. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion, and what they did by taking the best of the best knowledge from that. From PeopleSoft, Oracle taken HCM, HR knowledge team. From JD Edwards, procurement knowledge. From Siebel, CRM knowledge. from Hyperion reporting, from e-business suite of their own financials. By taking the best knowledge in the market team, Oracle built these fusion applications in the market team. That is why fusion applications built on best business processes, best of the best technologies what available in the market during that time. Oracle acquired them, taken the knowledge from that, and they built this fusion applications team. Now we can say proudly, team, Oracle Fusion applications are very stable in all the business areas, team. And in fact, that is the reason many companies in the market using Oracle Fusion applications as their in-house ERP applications team. That is the reason the demand for this technology phenomenally raised nowadays, team. And also, when Oracle acquired these all companies, team, in fact, Oracle insisting focus, very important point. Why we have such demand for Oracle Fusion? Oracle insisting all their existing customers who are on PeopleSoft, eBusiness Suite, JD Edwards, Siebel, all their existing customers, Oracle pushing that next future will be Oracle Fusion. You have to move from old applications to the Fusion. So team, huge customer base Oracle already having in their old applications team. All these customers moving to Oracle Fusion. So that is the reason, team, phenomenal customer adoption in the market we are seeing. And Oracle is a global giant. Oracle even crossed SAP in different business areas, team. As per the Quadrant Research Analysis paper 2024 and 25, Oracle is the top one ERP applications in the market, team. That sort of customer adoption we have. So that is a point, team. There is a huge resource crunch in the market is there. Means customers adopting of this technology day by day increasing. But people with the good knowledge to handle that applications are not in the market, team. That is the reasons companies offering 100% hikes, 120% hikes also to the candidates team. Till today, the person with 10 lakhs package, suddenly he's calling and telling me, Kumar, I got a good offer. I moved to the new company. I got 18 lakhs package. I got 22 lakhs package. That is a fact. Companies are taking the candidates with good sum of hike team. The reason behind that is good number of projects are there in the market. From top MNCs to the startup mid-level companies, everywhere the projects are available, because to that grassroots level, Oracle penetrated their market team. So that is the reason the demand is very high now for the people who are working in this technology. Okay. And also, team, they can be deployed through selection of options. Nothing but, team, Oracle Fusion applications are offered on a cloud-based technology. Nowadays, we know, team, everyone moving towards cloud, fascinated or adapted towards the cloud, team. Even now, how many of us using the regular storages in our mobiles, team? We all purchasing cloud, Google Cloud, iCloud, and we are saving our pictures in that. Why? That is something which will be forever and it will be very safe, right? Similarly, team, even from the applications point of view, if you see, team, every application moving towards the cloud-based technology, team. Cloud means what, team? A software that is hosted over the internet. Unlike a traditional applications, team, you no need to install the software in your laptop or PC to use that. Nothing. Just go to any of your Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, anything. This is the Fusion applications, team. Just pass your URL, search for that. It will prompt you for sign in, team. See, sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. This is Fusion applications, team. the look and feel. And you have to enter with your user ID and password. Once you give user ID and password, and if you sign in, see, you could able to enter into the Fusion applications team. Now see, my screen is loading. I will be entering into the Fusion applications team. Don't expect this slowness in real time. Demo instance I'm using for demo today. That is why slight slowness is there, team. So this is the Fusion HCM cloud applications team. Anywhere did I run the software in my laptop? Did I install the application and I ran that application? No, just in the form of web link, just in the form of URL, okay, that I copied and I entered into the application with my login credentials team. Cloud-based technology means that application maintained over the cloud. So team, client no need to maintain anything in their company premises. Earlier team, we used to have on-premise model, means before to the cloud team. All the software applications team, client have to purchase the infrastructure also. They used to buy the server from the company, Oracle. They used to install that server in their office premises. They used to install that application in that server. They used to have a team of database administrator, network engineer, security administrator, everything. The upgradation, patching, maintenance, security, everything the companies used to maintain on their own. But now completely Oracle Fusion applications are offering on a cloud-based technology. Nothing to worry. Just subscribe from Oracle. You can directly use that application team. So that is the reason team, more customers moving towards the Fusion applications team. This is the background history of the Fusion application. So in 2006, Oracle acquired all these products, and in the year 2011, Oracle introduced Fusion applications into open world. Now some of you might get a question immediately. Kumar, we are in 2025 and Fusion applications came in 2011 and you are teaching us that old age application today? No, not like that. 2011 is the announcement that Oracle made into the open world, that they are coming up with a new age game-changing ERP application, that is Fusion Cloud. But the actual penetration of the Fusion application into the market started from 2015, 2016 onwards only, team, right? So from last 7-8 years only, we are seeing the good penetration, means entering into the market widely by the Fusion applications. We are seeing, team. At this moment in 2025, if you ask me, team, Fusion applications are the market leader in ERP segment. So there is no doubt about that. Okay. Then team, types of companies involved. This is something very important for everyone to know, team. Experienced people, you already know about this, but just give me 2 minutes for the others to understand. See, team, any software application you learn, it might not be Oracle Fusion HCM, it could be DevApps, AWS, or Azure, anything that you might be learning, team. You should be knowing the difference between these types of companies. See, we have service provider company, and we have client or the customer company, and we have consulting companies. Typically, 3 types of companies involved in any software application usability in the market, team. First of all, service provider, company who selling the product. In our case, Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications are owned by Oracle Corporation team. It's their own applications. So Oracle is the service provider company, vendor company team. If any company in the market want to use Oracle as their business software team, they will be buying the applications from Oracle. Okay. So let's assume Oracle India Private Limited is the service provider who's selling this product team. Then we have client or the customer company team. Nothing but company who buying the product from Oracle and who is going to use in their day-to-day business activities team. Because from last 10-15 minutes, I'm using the word client, customer, these things. For example, you take Reliance Industries, Virgin Mobiles, L&T Infrastructure. Let's take up team Reliance Industries. We all know our Indian MNC. Let's say team Reliance Industries want to use Oracle HCM Cloud in their HR business activities team. What Reliance doing team? Reliance will reach out to Oracle and they will buy the product from Oracle team. But Reliance is not a IT company. They are into automobiles, they are into manufacturing, they are into textiles, they are into aviation, they are into mining, different industries they might be into. Reliance bought the product from Oracle. Now Reliance require someone who has to implement, configure that application according to their business requirement. Then only they can use that application in their day-to-day life team. What Reliance will do team? Reliance will reach out to consulting companies in the market. Consulting companies means what team? So-called IT companies. Companies who implement the product according to the client requirement team. Example, Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini, so-called software companies that we are seeing in the market, we call them as consulting companies team. So whenever a client or a customer company buy the product from Oracle, they require someone help to use that product according to their requirement. So what the client or the customer companies will do, they will give the project to these companies team. Once we learn this technology, which companies will recruit us, these companies, consulting companies team. We will be working in these software companies on this Oracle HCM cloud technology as a consultant, engineer, associate, different designations we will have team. In these consulting companies, we will be recruited. When our company get the project from the client, we will be deployed for that client project team and we will be working for that client implementation. Understood team? Because why I'm covering this, some of the candidates asking me, because I probably they don't know, it's not their mistake because there is no rule that everyone know everything. People asking me, Kumar, you are talking HCM. Are we going to work as HRs in the company? Many people asked me that question. No, never. You are not going to work as a HR because many HRs from their domain experiences moving to this because they don't want to continue in that, because we know the domain HR jobs, how the to say career will be there. There won't be any growth in their career wise or the salaries wise team. Once you learn this technology, you are going to work as a software engineers on this domain in these consulting companies team. You are no more a HR recruiter or a US staffing recruiter or a HR manager, nothing like that team. Come out of that. You will be working as a software engineer in this technology in these consulting companies team. These companies will recruit you. And whenever we get the project from the clients or the customers, we will be working for their implementation. What we will do, Kumar, in a simple way, I will tell you. Reliance bought the product from Oracle. Reliance given the project to Deloitte. Now we are working in Deloitte, let's assume. So we got deployed for that project team. So we will collect the requirement from the client. How you want this application to configure. Client will let us know their requirement team. Like what are their companies they have, how many departments they have, what sort of designations they will recruit their employees, what type of leaves that they are providing to their employees, what sort of salary components they are providing to their employees, that all team. We are going to configure the application according to their requirement. And once we hand over to them in their day-to-day life, they will be using this for all their HR activities team. So this is types of companies involved with team. Okay. Now, let me move on to Fusion Environment Releases team. This is something very important for the people who starting this training team, because this you won't be given knowledge anywhere. Even once you join the organization, also no one will tell you about these things team. The background of the application or the Fusion environment releases. These are very important. Don't feel that why we require all this. When you joining the organization, I know some of you will be keeping some experiences and you will be dropping the resume saying that you're already working on this. Okay. At that point of time, when you enter the company, you should know all these application related background things to speak with your colleagues, to speak with the client and all team, right? So let me talk about team Fusion environment releases. See, I told you in 2011, Oracle introduced these applications in the market. When they introduced these applications in the market team, they came up with a version called R1. They came up with a version called R1, release 1 team. Like how in our softwares, in our mobile team, Android 7.1 or iOS 10.2, how we have versioning team. In this also team, the release versions we have. In 2011, when Oracle introduced these applications in the market, they came up with R1 team. Since then, the application evolved, and now the latest version of the Fusion applications team R13. R13. Actually, by 2017 late, okay, and 2018 starting team, during that time only, the release version of R13 came in the Fusion system. Since then, there is no change in the versioning team. Oracle made R13 as their static version team. If anyone asks you in which version that you worked on in Fusion, tell that I worked on R13. Okay. From R1 to R10, from R1 to R10, during this releases team, whoever the customers bought the product from Oracle team, both on-premise and cloud-based options Oracle provided during this time. Means from R1 to R10 release, whoever the companies bought Oracle Fusion applications team, on-premise model and a cloud model offered by Oracle team. But from release 11 onwards team, Oracle completely stopped on-premise. Now, Fusion applications are purely on a cloud-based technology. There is no on-premise team. Okay. So R13 is the latest version of the Fusion applications team. And Oracle followed team quarterly upgradation policy. Quarterly upgradation policy. What do you mean by quarterly upgradation policy team? See, quarter means what team? Every year, 4 quarters we have team. Every year, 4 quarters we have team, right? Every 3 months is a quarter, right? Something like Jan to March is 1 quarter team. Okay. Then April to June, 1 quarter team. Then July to September, 1 quarter. October to December, right team? Every year, 4 quarters we have in the calendar team. So every year, Oracle upgrade their application 4 times. Very important consideration. from the point of interviews also team. Okay. Every year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application team. Kumar, what it will do? See, Oracle investing a lot in their research and development team to give the more holistic experience to their customers. Oracle constantly working to improvise their application to the best of the best in the market to be team. See, in your mobile, you take example. You might be using an Android or Apple mobile. We will be getting software upgrades, right? Over the night, we will see upgrade happening thing from Android 11.1 to 13.1, something, the versioning it will happen. Every time when the software upgrading in your mobile, you might be experiencing something new in the system, in the mobile, right? Some new cosmetic level features might be added in the system. Some existing old unused features company might be removing from the mobile. Any bugs if they have, they will fix in the system. Similarly, team, every 3 months once Oracle upgrade their application. Phenomenal changes they won't bring in the system team. Basic new enhancements they will bring. In every module, some new features Oracle will add on in the system. Any existing old unused features are there, they will remove them, deprecate them. Any bug fixes customers reported in the previous 3 months, they will fix that issues. These things will happen, team. See, when we are in the real-time projects team, certain activities we have to perform. Every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading the application, Oracle will give the time to the customer's team. Hey, on this date, in this weekend, from this time to this time, we are going to upgrade the application like that team. During that time, when we are in the projects team, certain activities we have to perform. Something like pre-upgrade testing, post-upgrade testing, impact analysis, regression testing, sanitary checks. These all terminologies slowly you will habituate team. In the workshop sessions on implementation and support when we come team, see, as part of the placement preparation, we are going to take some out of the box preparation concepts to you. Means along with the application training, we will be also giving you the knowledge on real-time project implementation team. I know at least half of you will manipulate your experiences and you will drop your resume, fake experience or whatever it might be. I shouldn't use the word that, but you understood that. But you don't know. You don't have a real IT experience. You might be working in non-IT. Now you are portraying that you worked in IT and you are dropping the resume. When you're attending the interviews team, first 4 or 5 questions easily interviewer identify team. Even I was part of many panels team. First 3 or 4 questions, interviewer can identify whether you are a fake person or a genuinely worked person. What questions we will ask, in the first 4 or 5 team, we won't enter into the subject. We will ask some general questions team, like something like, after tell me about yourself, they might ask you, can you tell me what are your day-to-day work in the project? Or what are your roles and responsibilities every day? And at which phase of the project you are currently working in? Or can you tell me what is the project implementation methodology that you are currently following in your company? We didn't work on. How we will know all these things, team? If anything from the subject, if they ask you, Kumar trained us, we learned subject, we can answer. But what about these process-oriented questions? What happens in the company? So to make you comfortable in that team, from the point of placements, we are going to take up, some sessions on resume preparation, then projects, how to keep in that, and also in real time, when you enter into the projects team, end to end project implementation, how it will happen in the company, from project management plan to kickoff study. Then we have different phases team, as is study, to be study, CRP1, CRP2, then end user training, then go live, hypercare, different phases we have team. I'm going to explain you each and everything. And in each phase, what sort of documents we will prepare. RD50 means what? BP80 means what? Then solution designing documents means what? or user manuals means what, test scripts means what, BR100 means what. These all things you will be getting team. So during this time, implementation project means what, or support project means what. If you are working in a support project team, what is the support project? How many tickets that you will be working on? What is ticket? What sort of ticketing tools that you will be working in real time? These are I'm going to explain team. During that time, I will touch base on this again. Every quarterly upgrade, whenever happening in real time, certain activities we have to perform team. Impact analysis, we have to prepare and we have to present to the client. Hey, in this release, these new features in each module Oracle bringing, there is no issue with our existing functionalities. And this new functionality is what we are expecting to use in the system. If we use that, it will be good for our business. This kind of impact analysis we have to prepare and we have to present. So that all activities I will tell you later team, but first understand team, every quarterly time, I mean to say yearly 4 times Oracle upgrade their application team. And if you go to the system and you can check out what is the latest version of the Fusion application team. So once you log in team, if you come to the right side settings and action here, we have about this application team. If you go see team, this is the latest version of the Fusion application team. Kumar, you told release 13, no? Yes, everywhere you see application development framework, REL 13, REL 13, see REL 13. So the current version team, release 13 24D. This is the latest version of the Fusion application team. Release 13 24D. What is this 24D? Every year team, Oracle designates like this 24D. Prior to that, we have 24C, then 24B, then 24A. Next quarterly upgrade team. Actually, we entered January month. By this time, it should come team. But there is some delay from Oracle side only. By next week, we are going to get that team. The current latest upgrade should be 25A team. Then next quarter, 25B. Then 25C, 25D. Every year, Oracle will designate the release versions like this team. The financial year that currently we are in and which quarterly upgrade. Each quarter they designate as A, B, C, D. So we are in this release team as of now. But we are supposed to get this release by next 1 week. Application is going to upgrade team. In this year, the first quarterly upgrade is going to be 25A. Then when we reach to April, May, June, then upgradation will come with 25B, 25C, 25D. Then again, 2026, when you enter, 26A, it will start team. So every year team, it will take up the sequence like that team. The current financial year we are in and which quarterly upgrade. 24D means last quarterly upgrade of 24, currently the applications are in. Then what is this Kumar? 11.13.24. 11 stands for 2011, the year Oracle application introduced team. 13 stands for release 13. 24 stands for 2024. And 10 stands for, this is the 4th quarterly upgrade in the year team. In the 4th quarter, first month, October. October means 10th month. That is what the sequence. 0 common team. Next, in next 1 week to 10 days, this year first upgrade will come. It will come with 25A, 11.13.25.01.0. January, the first month, 01. Then 2025, 2025. So every quarterly upgrade, the sequencing, Oracle will take up the naming convention like this team. So this is what quarterly upgradation policy sequencing happens in the system team. Now let me move on to what are the modules we have in the system. Next 10-15 minutes, we will close the session, team. These are something very important to learn now. What are the modules we have in the system? What comes under functional? What comes under technical? We will see, team. So what is the subject that we are going to learn, team? The course name is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. So, team, in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team, we have different modules in the system. Let me list it out what we have, team. We have something called, Oracle, we have something like global HR or core HR. This is one module, team. Then we have absence management. We have one module, team. Then we have payroll management. We have one module by name payroll management team. Then we have something called talent management team, right? Talent management team. Under talent management, we have sub modules like profiles, goals, performance management, succession management. Like that, we have sub modules in that team. And then we have team compensation, compensation and benefits module, team. Actually, both are two different modules, team. But when we spell together compensation and benefits, we will call, right? Then, team, we have some advanced modules like OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Then we have something called OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. Then we have something called ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then we have something called Help Desk and Safety and HCM Communicate. Like we have some modules advanced available, team. So these are the modules we have in the Fusion system, team. What is that, team? We have the modules in Fusion HCM, team. A part of these modules, team, we have some other concepts in the system. What are they, team? What are the some other concepts we have, team? We have something like team security administration. I'm listing out all concepts in this technology, team. We have something called security administration, and we have something called workflows and approvals, team. Workflows and approvals, team. Then we have something called sandbox, where we will be talking about our customizations and personalizations. Then HCM Design Studio. All these things will part of this team. And we have, team, something called inbound integrations. Under inbound integrations, we have the tools like HCM data loader. In short, we call it as HDL. Then we have spreadsheet data loader, team. Spreadsheet data loader. Like we have two tools available, team. Then we have outbound integrations. Here we have, team, some reporting tools like BI publisher reports. Then OTBI reports. Then HCM extracts. We have the three reporting tools available, team. And then we have something called, team, fast formulas, team. Fast formulas. So in the entire Fusion application, team, total concepts are these things, team. Now what comes under functional and what comes under technical. See team, all these modules comes under functional side of the application team. All these modules will come under functional side of the application team. All these things will come under technical side of the application team. Functional and technical means these parts. Here also I have a different opinion with other training institutes, or even I will differ by myself only team. What is that? See, these concepts particularly team. Security administration, workflow approval, sandbox, fast formula, or these three concepts at least team. I will say they are also part of functional only. But majority of the training institutes, including me, what I have to do, I have to follow with others only, right? Offering these concepts as part of technical. But in reality, if you ask me, team, the functional guy only will handle these things also in the projects. But as part of that, we will also go with the market only, what others are playing with. These are functional, these are technical team. Now, in this, what are these basically team? In this functional side, all the modules we have team. In core HR module, we are going to see the entire organization configuration of the client, employee management team, from hiring of the employee, maintaining of the employee, their transfers, promotion, resignation, hire to retire, everything will maintain in core HR module team. Then in every company, different types of leaves companies will provide, right? In the absence management module, that all different types of leaves configuration, tagging to the employees, employee applying the leaves, that all will tracked in this absence management module. Then payroll team, salary management module. Every month we have to pay salaries to the employee team. That salary processing and all will handle in payroll. Then for every employee after the year, performance appraisals companies will conduct team. Based on that, their promotions, their demotions will decide. Talent management, we are going to see all that employee performance appraisals and all team. Then compensation and benefits we have team. On top of employee salary, any bonus company want to pay, overtime company want to pay, any shares company want to allocate to the employee, that all will handle in compensation module team. Then benefits. In some companies, in some countries team, like in US, employees will enroll with different insurance plans team. Every month from their salary, company will deduct and they will pay as part of premium to the company's team, insurance companies. That all will handle in benefits module team. Then OTL. In every company, employee attendance tracking, their time sheets, punch in, punch out, their biometric thumb in, thumb out, that all employee time management we will handle in OTL module team, time and labor. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. In every organization team, whenever you join, several mandatory trainings companies ask you to complete team. They will give you video recordings or something, that sessions or classes they have to go through. You have to go through. They will conduct some initial examinations, right? The entire learning related activities and all we can handle in OLC module team. Then ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. In any organization's team, before hiring the employee, lot of activities the HR team will be doing. Identifying the job in the departments or business, then posting that job entries to different job portals like Naukri, LinkedIn, collecting the resumes, scheduling the interview, conducting the interview, selecting the candidates, releasing the offer letter, onboarding the employee, those all will handle in recruiting cloud. Then help desk and safety. This is an internal ticketing tool within the HCM team for all the employees internal communication purpose. This module will helpful to your team. Then we have security module team. Like here, whenever employee hiring, for every employee team, the user accounts to be created and given, because it's a HR application team. All employees should give access to the portal, because employees will use it for their absences to apply, their pay slips to check and all team. In security, we're going to handle with user creation and all team. Then we have team workflows and approval. See, in every organization team, client will have an approval concept. Means today HR hiring an employee in the system, it should go for HR manager approval. Or employee applying the leave in the system, it should go for employees manager approval team. So all that approval flows for different transactions in these modules. We have workflows and approvals module team. Then we have sandbox. Means my client telling me, hey Kumar, here in the name of vision, our logo should come Kumar. Or the background theme, I don't want in this green color, I want with white background and with pink shades. Or Kumar, I want this font should be changed, or these icons to be changed. Or within the pages team, any customization if your client expecting. Then we have sandbox, one concept in the system team. We will handle those changes here team. Then we have team inbound integrations, bulk data uploading tools. Because when we go for the project team, now Reliance is our client. We from Deloitte went to Reliance and we are going to configure their system team. Prior to Oracle Fusion, let's say Reliance using SAP HCM team or PeopleSoft HCM, they are using team. And some 10-20,000 employees data already they are having. All that data we have to migrate into the new Fusion system. How you will do team? So for any data from the client existing system to the Fusion application, if you have to migrate, Oracle given two data migration tools, HCM data loader and spreadsheet data loader. Here we will be discussing about them. Then team outbound integrations. Any data from the Fusion system you want to extract. Let's say my client want to generate some reports team. Hey Kumar, in the month of January, how many employees I hired? I want to extract a report. Or in the month of January, how many employees applied sick leave? I want a report. So team, we have 3 reporting tools in the Fusion system: BI Publisher, OTBI, HCM extracts. So that is outbound team. Then we have fast formula. Within absence, payroll, compensation, OTL, several validations to implement, several calculations to implement. Fast formula concept we have team. So now the important question team. Kumar, any prerequisites to learn this course? See team, in entire all these components team, in only BI Publisher team, you require SQL prerequisite. Even extracts also we can handle without that, but BI Publisher is the report tool we have in the system where SQL prerequisite is there. Kumar, I don't know SQL. Then don't learn this, because team, be clear with this. No one in the market will have the knowledge on all the aspects. No one. As we are trainers, we have to be addressing different trainings out of our interest. We learn them. But people who working in this technology like you, none of you will have knowledge on all the aspects team. Take it as granted. If you are not comfortable with SQL, directly skip this concept. Don't study this one. Without this remaining, you can keep team. Not even these many things team. At least 3 to 4 modules you have to be ready. Not 1 and 2. At least 3 to 4 modules you have to be strong enough team. And these technical aspects, BI reports you can ignore. Remaining security, workflow, sandbox, inbound integration, fast formulas. If you keep these things in profile, they are sufficient team. So functional, technical, these things team. Now the important question. Kumar, okay, Kumar, what we have to be learning, whether we should be learning functional or we should learn technical. See team, till now market is clear. Companies recruiting functional consultants separately, okay, technical consultants separately, and the most happening role, techno-functional. Market clearly recruiting the candidates on all these profiles team. Okay, functional, technical, techno-functional team. So this is the most happening, high demanded role in the market team. Simple. See, if a company recruiting a candidate team, first they will look at this combination. Who can work on both? Means rather than taking two consultants into the project separately, one functional, one technical, if I take the person who knows the knowledge of both, that would be an added advantage. Cost wise also company will benefit, right team? In e-business suite, prior to Fusion Oracle EBS, the technical intervention is very high. But in Fusion application, the scope of technicality is very limited team. That is the reason functional person only handling the technical work also in Fusion team. If you ask me, in a project, if 10 consultants are working in a project team, 6 to 7 or even 7 to 8 consultants will be okay functional, only 1 to 2 will be technical team. So either you learn completely functional or techno functional. Only technical if you learn team, the scope will be limited. So don't go with this profile of only technical team. Go with either functional or my suggestion team. This is the most happening. When you drop the resume in the Naukri or LinkedIn or any job portal, or even the companies that what we referring if you are applying, techno functional if HRC, first preference will be your profile for scheduling the call. Okay. So our training also intended towards techno functional. What we are going to cover as part of the program: core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and compensation we will cover team. Benefits we are not covering till compensation. 5 modules from functional and all these modules from technical. These all will be covered team. So this program is going to be an end-to-end implementation training program on techno-functional. Whatever I highlighted in the bold, these all will be part of our curriculum, including fast formulas. So it's a techno-functional program team. And I suggest every candidate learn techno-functional only. If you are not aware of SQL part, skip this one. Remaining you keep. Even then your profile will consider as techno-functional team. Now coming to the course program details team. How many days program this is? Okay. And what support you are going to get. Let me get into that team. This is going to be 3 months duration program team. Total 90 hours program. It's an end-to-end implementation training. There are situations where we are seeing 45 days program, 40 days program, but we are covering the curriculum in a span of 3 months. It means very extensively from the point of job placement, this training is intended. As I already mentioned, not only the technical aspects of the application or the HCM application perspective, we are going to cover the workshop sessions from the placement point of view, where we will be covering the real-time project implementation, support projects and all team. I can tell you one thing. After this training program, you will be getting a knowledge in the system in the real time. If a person with 4 to 5 years of experience, if he really working in the projects and he completed 4 or 5 projects in his career, what sort of knowledge that he is going to have in the subject, definitely I can tell you, you will be also standing in that particular level only team. So absolutely no doubt, if anyone want to keep some experiences and if you want to try also, you can portray yourself, and in the interviews you can able to clear that, and you can able to answer that knowledge team. And the timings of the program team, okay, every day 8 to 9 p.m. As such, today is a demo session and we have already joined the session, started the session bit late, it got extended team, but starting from tomorrow, regular classes are going to be starting sharp 8 o'clock, and we are going to close the call by 19. 8 to 9 every day will be the session, because I have the sessions after 9, before 8 also, other batches. So 8 to 9 will be the slot every day, Monday to Friday team. What you will be getting in this program? Every day sessions will be recording. Even now the session is recording team. If anyone miss the session due to your personal works, whatever it might be team, you will be getting the session recordings every day after 1 hour of the class team, where you will get team. We are not going to share it in your drive folder, something like that. We have our own LMS portal team. If you go to TrioTechSoftwareTrainings.com, here you will have live classes login. After the enrollment today, every one of you will be getting the emails with your portal access. Once you get the email after enrollment team, if you log in into the live classes here, system will ask you to provide the sign in and password team, user ID and password. So once you give your user ID and password team, and if you log in, you will be entering into your account. Okay. And here team, you have to go to enrolled course. And here will be your course team. If you go to your course, this is someone's user ID I'm using, financials this is, like a HCM you will get. Every day, the sessions will upload team. Topic wise, today's topic what? Tomorrow's topic is what? And if you click on that team, you can able to practice the sessions here. You can able to view the session here team. So this portal access you will be getting for lifetime. So you can refer the sessions even once you get into your projects. If you have any doubts also, the portal will be available to you for lifetime. Once the user account created to your team, you have to reset the password and that portal is yours. Okay. Lifetime access to the video recordings will be given to you. Along with that team, access to private and public cloud instances for 5 months. Learning is not something listening to the classes. You have to do hands-on practice team, right? So the Fusion applications you are going to be provided for 5 months. Private and public cloud, very important to understand here team. Usually everywhere in other training institutes, you will be getting the public cloud instances, demo servers. Every 3 days, every 5 days, or every 1 week, Oracle will refresh that data. Every time what you configure, you will lose that data. But here, along with that public cloud team, our own private server we will be providing you. The entire 5 months, the application will be stable, 24/7. All the things from starting to end, you can configure team. One full life cycle of project implementation you can able to do in the system team. So that server access for 5 months you will be getting team. Okay. And then for every module, student manuals with step-by-step instructions will be provided. After enrolling team, you will be getting this drive folder access team. For every module, our custom prepared materials will be there. See, module wise, we have the folders here team, core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation, security. If you go to that module folder team, all the materials of that module you can find. If you go here, same is a core HR material. Starting from today's session, what I have taken today, everything is documented team. So step by step, see what we discussed it today. Okay. Step by step, screenshots and navigations team. This is a student manual team, which you will not get anywhere. This is a custom tailor-made material that what we prepared for our students team. If anyone have a time constraint, Kumar, I'm having an interview with Kumar tomorrow. I can't revise all the videos. Just go through this material. Everything will be in front of you with step-by-step screenshots and navigations team with the definitions, explanation, the PDFs will be available. For all modules, the PDF materials will be available like that team. And along with that team, from the point of placement preparation team, first, the placement preparation will start with the workshop sessions team. As I told you, resume preparation, how to prepare the resume. If it is a fresher, how to prepare. If it is an experienced person trying to fill the gap, how to prepare, how to keep the project, or other non-IT experience, other IT experience, how to change that to Fusion and keep. For all these things, I'm going to take a workshop session on placement on resume preparation team. The training of placement will start from there. After our regular classes on application training, from the point of job preparation, I'm going to take the session on how to prepare the resume. Then how to upload that resume, how we have to market our resume, how to create the Naukri account, LinkedIn account, how to reach the HRs, how to post the resume in Naukri. These also will be taken sessions team. I'm going to take the sessions on that as well, because I know that many people will be having a struggle in these things only. Training, anywhere you can learn team, either from me or somewhere you might be learning. But after training, what you have to do, whom to approach, how to get the call scheduled, these things people don't know team. So by keeping that in mind, we've been structured this program in such a way, after our technology training, from the point of interviews to prepare your team, we will be starting with all that activities from resume preparation, then posting the resume to different job portals, and also providing you with interview questions and answers. Everywhere you will get only questions, but here we collected n number of questions from different interviews that what our students attended previously team. Because when you're attending the interview, every time you can't expect a straightforward question, a definition you can't expect, scenarios you will expect team, right? So we collected a repository of that. If you come here team, in the folder you will get interview questions and answers. So if you go here, 300-400 questions across different modules team with answers we prepared team. Even this you will be getting. Even scenario based questions also you will get. See, real time scenario based questions team. So these all collected from the interviews that our students attended previously. Even for you also I will tell team. For every batch to my students I will make a habit. Whenever you are attending the interview, try to record that interview. First interview you might not get into. Second, third, by fourth or fifth interview, you have to get select, means you should have a plan in hand. You record the interview. Every interview, you can able to get at least 20-25 questions in hand. Then you have to prepare yourself from that. Acha, okay. This is what the expectation from the interviewers. For these things, I have to prepare my answer like this. So 2-3 interviews if you attend, though if you lose them, fourth or fifth interview will be yours. So these repositories also team, we prepared from that backgrounds only. People who attended the interviews, we recorded that, we taken that real-time questions team. So that will be given to you. I don't promise you prepare this, you will get the job, but at least 60% of the questions will be repetitive from this team. In 10th class, we all came across 10th standard. We used to have an all-in-one, right? Last 10 years papers, if you study, we used to get 10% marks, right? So here also that kind of environment we are trying to build in. Interview question and answers from the existing interviews that we collected. So maximum we can expect, but not 100%, at least 50-60% from that you can expect team. But if you prepare in that way, rest of the questions also, you will be in a situation to answer team. So resume preparation, interview question and answers, and for every project, assignments will be given team for hands-on exercises. So if you see, we have somewhere the folder assignments team. If you come here, for all modules, you can see the assignments team. I will give you the requirement, real-time requirements, what that I worked in my projects team. This is for absence module. I will give you the requirement and I will ask you to configure the system. The evaluation also will be done for your team. So this is for practical exercise to get the hands-on project assignments team. And every Saturday, we will be having mock interviews. You have to inform us by Wednesday of that week team. Every Saturday, mocks will be happened in the TrioTech office in Hyderabad team. If you are not from Hyderabad also, don't worry. In the Zoom, you can able to connect for the mocks team. This is very important, crucial point. In the mocks, that was not, I mean, that is not taken by myself. If I am available, hardly I will be participating. Most of the times, my friends or the colleagues are my team members who are working in the projects, okay, who are the panel members in other companies. They will be taking up the mocks team. So if you attend one or two, you will be getting more information about how the real-time expectation is there. So that will happen every Saturday team. And from our side also, the referral programs will be there. Because as I told you team, from 2015, as we are in the market, it's been 10 years. We've been recognized by many companies in the market for the recruitment activities team. Companies every month will reach out to me. Hey, Kumar, I want HCM profiles, trained resources of freshers, or 3 to 4 years experience, or 2 to 3 year experience. Client is from Dubai, or client is from Pune. Like that, we will get the requirements team. Some of you might be noticing by this time our statuses also. We are publishing the requirements team. So from our side also, resume sharing will be done. Whenever we get the requirements team, we will post it in your WhatsApp community. After the enrollment today, you will be added into the WhatsApp group team, community. So every time whenever we receive the requirement, we will be posting the requirements team. You can able to apply to that requirements that what we are sharing team. The referral from our side also will be there. So with the due plan in hand for next 3 months, if you give to us every day 1 hour session and 2 hours at least of your practice, if you could able to give by 4th or 5th month, you will be entering into the companies with a very good package team. Okay. So this is about course features and the placement assistance that we are going to provide team. And coming to the course fee, the actual course fee will be 25,000 team, and we will be having an early bird offer for every batch team. People who are enrolling on day 1 today, the price will be cut down to 22,999, and you will be getting some additional benefits on this. What team? I told you here, usually you will be getting 5 months of server access team, but people enrolling with this offer, you will be getting 2 months additional server access worth 6,000 team. If you inquire anywhere, we want only instance for practicing team. Per month, people charging 4,000 to 5,000 team. So just I have given 6,000 for 2 months, but it is more than that only. So now in this offer, if you enroll team, you will be getting 7 months server access from the start of the program team. And also here I told you in the program, we have something called HDL and we have something called a fast formula team. So in these two concepts with related to them, some ready-made built-in HDL templates and real-time project fast formula templates team. More than 150 to 200 different real-time business implemented fast formulas from our projects, what we have done to the client's team. Ready-madely available fast formulas with the logics we are going to provide to your team. So people enrolling with this early bird offer, these additional add-ons you will be getting. Along with that, 7-month server access at the price of 22,999. For day one, this offer will be there. So I request everyone team after the session, please reach out to our WhatsApp number that you are seeing here team, or please fill the Google form. We will be reaching out in the WhatsApp team for the enrollment. So please fill the Google form. If you are missing that, we cannot able to reach out to you for enrollment team. So please complete the enrollment today maximum to get this offer team. And tomorrow, people who enrolled will be getting the new Zoom meeting link. Okay. And after the enrolling, two things will happen. You will be shared with the email for the portal access. In TrioTech, your batch course access will create and you will get the mail. Second, you will be added into the WhatsApp community. And from tomorrow, the new meeting link will be shared only for the enrolled participants team. So I request everyone, please complete your enrollment today or maximum tomorrow first off, so that we will complete the enrollment procedure and we will share the new Zoom meeting link from tomorrow team. As I told you, please join on time from tomorrow 8 o'clock sharp, so that we can conclude by 9 o'clock the session team. So before closing the session, you can able to see some of our placement success stories team. So people who recently placed in different companies team with proofs, they are sharing back in the WhatsApp their kind of happiness to us, that the gratitude messages team. See, Raghu recently placed in Deloitte team and Sampath placed in Accenture. And some of you might be asking or having a doubt in mind, Kumar, why can't you display their pictures? Even tomorrow, you will not allow me to display the pictures. Why team? Many of you will be keeping some fake experiences and you are trying the job. If the face is revealed here, right? These demos we will be publishing in YouTube channel of ours. Who knows? That is a data security issue. That is a kind of personal security issue to the candidate team. That is why we never used to display any of the pictures of the candidates team. So in that way, don't take it in negative. Okay. These are the live screenshots from the different students team. Even you can find the reviews from the Google also. Okay. If you go to the Google here team, TrioTech software trainings, we are based out in KPHB 9th phase in Forum Mall. We have a physical location team. Even you can check out our reviews from the students here team. So all these are the student genuine feedbacks that what we've been receiving from quite some time. You can explore that as from your own. And even you can even check out our YouTube channel team and all the sessions, that not all the sessions, some important topics, some demo sessions of different training programs we will be uploading here team. So even you can find out our TrioTech software trainings YouTube channel for your reference, and some of the students feedback who is okay to give their feedback. We even have their video testimonials team. You can find them here, right? And you can see recently the people who are placed in different companies, even freshers we have in this list team. People who are placed here in DriveStream, Shiva, in Suresh, Cognizant, Sunita, Shweta, Rajendra. These all are the different people. I'm not claiming that because of me, I have scheduled their interviews, they have got placed. I won't take that credit team. It's the training that what they have taken and the efforts that what they have put in that made their placements in the company's team. So even the same to be for you also. You have to be focused. Whatever that we are training you, you should also practice that. Okay, if two hands join together, then only the output will come team. Same should be in that case also. So these all are the candidates who recently placed out in different companies team. And some of the reviews you can find out here, and students placed out companies are you can see here team, right? So these are the things that I planned out for today team. In tomorrow's session, I will continue with Oracle certification process and knowledge repository, and the actual subject we will start from tomorrow team. So I hope everyone understood today what is this Oracle HCM cloud applications mean? And what is the market for this technology? What sort of packages being offered? And who should learn this technology team? Now, I will conclude here for today and I will move on to Q&A team. So if you have any questions on top of the session that what not address it to you, you can please feel free to ask me team. You can unmute and you can ask me one by one.
Hi, good evening, Kumar.
Hi, good evening.
Hi, can you hear me?
I can hear you, yes.
Yeah, so Kumar, just a question that I come from a commerce background and then I have an experience in the corporate for like 3 years, but there's nothing specific towards anything related to HR. So if I pick up this course and if I study and then if I pick up Oracle HCM for the future job, as in like to get a good job.
Understood. See, basically, from the point of learning the subject, absolutely there is no constraint. You don't need to have any pre-backgrounds of HR or recruiter backgrounds, nothing. Come with a blank mind. We will be
Okay.
starting the subject from the very scratch, and we are going to make you this, make you expert level in this. But when you are dropping the resume, try try to manipulate that current experience what you have into Oracle HCM, and then you have to drop the resume. That how to do, we will tell you. The placement
Okay.
team will report to you. Okay.
Sure. And adding to the question is that, like, for an example, I've come across a lot of demos from TrioTech actually, and then I've heard it from one of the other person as well called as Pankaj. He was teaching Oracle OIC. So is that
Piyush.
yeah, Piyush, sorry, not Pankaj, sorry, Piyush, yeah. So the Oracle OIC, the Oracle integration module, is that a part of Oracle HCM or is it a different
I'll
specific
tell you.
module?
I'll tell you. See, under Oracle Fusion, different products Oracle offering. HCM is HR related application.
Okay.
Oracle Fusion financials, supply chain, different products are offered.
Yeah.
OIC is nothing but Oracle Integration Cloud. That is a integration tool to integrate two software system from Oracle Fusion to the third party. For example, client using Oracle Fusion HCM, but only core HR absence modules they are using. Payroll, they might use some third party system. So from Oracle Fusion, employees data from core HR module, I want to send to that third party system what client using for payroll. How I will transfer the data? There should be some connector between them.
Okay.
OIC is that integration tool between two systems to connect.
Okay. So would
But
you
that's a different
recommend?
story. We don't need to learn that.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
Next
based
question.
upon the market, I see that most of the times, like for an example, they're trying to recruit a person who either has not just completely functional basis of knowledge, they want to try someone who has both like functional and the technical knowledge, like techno-functional basically, and
Correct.
then that's much more career aspect towards getting the job well.
Techno-functional from the point of cloud HCM. So these
Okay.
are the aspects. Techno-functional means not the
Uh,
OIC.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you would suggest for me if I choose Oracle HCM as my
This is the
base,
one.
and that will be helpful for me to study the basics of the functional and a bit of technical as well, a little bit.
Technical. Correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right. Thank you, Kumar. Thanks for that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next question, team. Sribhadra.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi. Who is that?
Vamshi, sir.
Vamshi. Yes, Vamshi.
Sir, I have attended some demos only for that. Who is teaching only one specific model, financial fusion. Sir, should I go for financial fusion or HCM, sir? Which is, which one is the
Good
most
question.
demand?
See, good
Yes,
question.
Kumar, sorry to
Yeah,
interrupt.
Subhadra,
Same is my question
remember.
also.
I remember. Yes, I'll tell you. I mean, by looking at your name, I recognized already you've been chatting with me in the WhatsApp, the same question, I believe. Yeah. Let me tell you, see, different products are there. I don't say that nothing is bad. In Oracle Fusion, HCM is good, financials is good, supply chain is good, everything. But from the point of learning, what is suitable to you? Basically, financials, what happens is it's a vast subject. It's a lengthy application. Mostly people with a core strong financial background. Just now, one person asked me, Kumar, I came from a commerce background. Is there any prerequisite that I should be learning, or I can able to start this application from scratch with your training? In financials, what happen is strong financial knowledge if you have in the subject, then it would be easy for you to learn Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud. Because when it comes to financials, lot of financial processes, terminologies will be there in the real time, that which we won't be knowing in our regular day-to-day life. So that's the reason learning that tool will become more complex to you, more difficult to you. Many candidates from a fresher background without a proper guidance joined in that, switch it to the HCM. I have seen. HCM is something which is known to us in our day-to-day life. We all know what HRs will do in the organization. This application is what they're doing in the organization. That only this application is also about. From the point of learning, it will not be a difficult to you. You can able to easily understand, you can able to cope up, and you can feel comfortable in the interviews also. And mostly, one more comparison I have to take here. In Oracle Fusion application, HCM stood first compared to finance or supply chain. Why, you know? I told you the evaluation path here. Oracle evaluation path. Here I told you PeopleSoft is one application which is good at HR related area. Actually, prior to Fusion team, PeopleSoft is the market leader in the HR business area. When Oracle acquired this, and all these customers of PeopleSoft moved towards Fusion HCM. So the huge demand created here for HCM compared to other areas team. So from the point of recruitment, if you see also, from the point of packages that company offering, if you see also, HCM definitely stood first compared to finance or supply chain. So obviously the choice for the people comes from non-IT or non-tech backgrounds or non-IT related. 100% HCM is best choice. Financials also we have in our training institute. Probably many of you know in our YouTube channel, you can see every month demos we are uploading. But even then, my suggestion as a trainer or a mentor, if you ask me, 100% HCM is the right choice to get the job. Next question, team. Anyone?
Yes, Kumar,
Sir,
you are
if I learn
100%.
both modules, is that advantage?
Nothing. No one will work on both. It's not modules, two products. No one will work on two products. You have to start your career and end, continue your career in one application only.
Yes, Kumar, you are very right in saying that HCM stands first when it comes to the Oracle ERP system. Because last week or last week, I attended this conference from
Finance business.
Oracle Word Cloud,
Hmm.
and they are talking about HCM. Financial was nowhere there.
I'll get my.
So that is one of the point why I thought of HCM.
Hmm.
Though I come with the experience in financials,
Financials,
I
yes.
hello.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Continue.
so I have like 7 years of experience working in ERP, this EBIS,
EBS,
and
yes.
I was working as a technical consultant. But I have a gap, like I didn't work after 2018.
No problem. Yeah.
So
No
my
issue. You can definitely fit into this technology. Absolutely no doubt. It's a right choice.
Mhm.
Okay.
It's better than financials for me
100%.
also.
100%. No doubt about that. Hari
Mhm.
Krishna, any
Okay.
question?
Yeah. Hi, Kumar. My name is
Hi.
Hari Krishna.
Yeah.
I have 15 years of experience into business analyst and data analyst. So, will this
Okay.
module or will this course suits me?
Definitely. See, anyone, not only Hari, anyone from other backgrounds. Now, just Garima told that she is having EBIS experience. Any other experiences prior to this might be ERP, might be data scientist or business analyst or dev app, something, whatever you have. When you dropping the resume, change that experience into Oracle HCM Cloud. Last 3-4 years that you are working in this technology. Use your projects only. Doesn't matter. but keep that into Oracle HCM Cloud and drop the resume. That's all. The calls will get scheduled. Okay. Lokesh, next question.
Hello.
Hi, Kumar.
Hi, Lokesh.
I've been working in a non-IT from the past 2.8 years, Kumar. So how can I apply for this job as experienced or fresher?
Lokesh, that I will tell you offline, Lokesh, because the session is recording. I should not tell that. We'll discuss it offline. Who are from other non-ITs or something, please reach out to us over this number. We will discuss it offline. Okay.
Hi,
Madhura Vera Goda. Hello.
Yeah, hi, Kuba. Thank you for today's session. So, I'm from Oracle EBS and HCM Cloud technical background. So, my question is, what is ESS, Employee Self-Service?
I think Madhura, you're already enrolled, I believe, right? Enrollment is completed, I believe, yours.
Yeah.
Okay. See, ESS is Employee Self-Service. That is one of the end user transaction part in the HCM module. That will be covered in the training.
Oh, okay. Thanks a lot. And also, why you are not doing the OTL and OLC?
So see, the bandwidth issue, Madhura. See, the problem is 90 hours of program. By this only, we've been covering more topics than other trainings that were being offered in the market. These things we cannot cover in this 3 months of duration. I require more 2 to 3 months to accommodate these things. So ORC, we have a separate program conducting for the span of 50 hours duration. We have a separate batch for ORC because it's a very big module, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Close to 45 to 50 hours, we have separate schedule for that. Typically, these 4 modules are sufficient. You don't need to be worried about other things. Yeah. Next question. Anyone? Yeah, thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Hello. Evening. Yeah, good evening. Hello.
Good evening, sir. My name is Sai Geeta, sir. Actually, Sai Geeta, sir. Actually, I don't have experience in IT field, sir. I hold a MA in English and along with B.Ed. Currently, I'm working as a teacher. So can I secure a job in IT after completing this course? Because
one second. Let me stop the recording.
Yeah.
See, this answer that